spiritual warning. To have a peaceful reign in government, the following people are hereby warned. Then the oracle to be
one through
watched.
the oracle.
And the oracle warned all of them. He wanted.
Not to be wished.
Dino Melaye
Okay.
Of Kogi State, Senator Bukola Saraki, Kwara State, and Nnamdi Kanu. So I don't know I don't know them from anywhere. They didn't give me money. They don't know me.
Okay.
So I'm doing what I'm saying is that so that the government will work smoothly. They should not be chasing them, be running after them all about. Because calamity will return to those people. Big bad calamity.
Okay, those are pursuing them.
Those who are pursuing them,
okay,
they will suffer.
You mean that they should leave Dino Melaye,
leave Dino Melaye,
and
leave Nnamdi Kanu.
They should not give them problem. But are they going to come back, sir, to power?
Those people?
Yes, Dino.
Most of them, they will come back. They may not come back. You know, if their party is dead, they cannot come back now.
If the party is having problems, it's dead, they can't come back. So.
And again, I will let people know, all these people insulting Obasanjo is very wrong. He's an elderly person. Obasanjo is a powerful person, apart from politics or knowledge. If they haven't watched people who are insulting him, they can never end well. They will end badly.
People that are insulting Chief Obasanjo?
They will end badly. It's a very straight elderly person. Go to Cotonou, they respect him. Go to elsewhere, they respect him all over the whole world. Why is he so in our
But now they are insulting him. They say, why is he supporting Atiku? That is the same Obasanjo that said Atiku is a thief in his book.
Yeah.
Why is he not endorsing him?
Anything can happen if two people fight. Yes, if two people fight, anything can happen. The man actually know that that time they used to fight, but that time they have settled. The man has come to beg. Even God self, when we offend God and we call God and say, Baba, forgive us, he will forgive us immediately.
So people should stop abusing Obasanjo.
They will suffer in their last end. All those who insulting Obasanjo will suffer. And those who hunting Bukola, hunting Dino Melaye, and Kanu, they will suffer. Calamity, bad calamity will happen to them.
Is it that those people have juju or what?
They don't have juju, it's their head.
Oh, they have.
You don't know, can see people like this face to face. There are some people who are created supernatural power.
You mean Dino Melaye and Saraki and Kanu are one of them?
Even
and Obasanjo.
if you go to the record of Ondo, during the time they were fighting Benin, my grandfather was a very powerful person. That's why Oba gave him a house at Okesaro in Ondo.
Oba what?
Oba that time, Oba Reni, that time, Oba from Ondo.
Okay, sir.
Gave him Ban Notion, which they later relinquished to me. Now, I'm Ban Notion, I'm Ban Notion of Ondo. But I don't too much have time for all those things because me, I don't like killing, and I don't like to excel myself with anybody that is killing.
Yes, that's a killing of souls.
No.
So people should respect General Obasanjo, Senator Bukola Saraki, Senator Dino Melaye, and the
Kanu. Leave them alone. Everything
alone.
they do, God will judge for them, not be people who will judge. You can't judge me, I can't judge you.
Are you saying that they have a shigbe or what is that, sir?
No, it's not the best. Because when you say, I hate this person, I want to kill him, are you God?
Then